This is the ORAIMO Watch 2 Pro. Earlier this year we got the Watch Pro, and this time around we have the Watch 2 Pro, which comes with a ton of new features like phone calls from the watch now, a new redesigned app to interact with this, a bigger screen and a bigger battery too, and a lot of health tracking abilities. And as usual, I'm going to tell you everything about it. This is my review of the ORAIMO Watch 2 Pro. Let's start with cosmetics. It's made of plastic and has a button on the side for accessing your home, menu and power options. At the back you have a heart rate sensor and a charging port. Inside the box you get a charging cable that snaps to the back with magnets. Also in the box you get a setup guide. The wristband is made of silicone or rubber and it's changeable. You can get third-party bands to try. I would definitely look out for a braided band as it's more breathable compared to silicone bands. It's IP68 dust and waterproof. You can shower or go for a swim with it, it's going to be totally fine. And it's lightweight too at 43.1 grams. It seems to only come in black and I think that should fit with most outfits. For the display, this comes with a 2.5D tempered glass display at 1.75 inches. It is a TFT LCD display which is bigger compared to the 1.69 inches display we had on the earlier model this year, and it has a higher resolution too at 320 by 385. The screen has 5 brightness levels and I didn't have any issues using it outdoors, and has some amazing looking colors too. You get a few watch faces already installed on the watch. To set more watch faces though, you need to download and install the brand new ORAIMO Health app. It's available on the Android and iOS store, which is to say this watch is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It is a beautiful design app with all information and data that you need. You get an activity, exercise, heart rate and sleep monitoring data on the first tab, a dedicated exercise page on the second tab for your outdoor run, cycling and walking. Also from the app, you can check the over 100 plus watch faces to customize your watch. Interacting with the watch is very simple. To get a quick access tab, you drag from the top. Make calls, lock your screen if you don't want to accidentally back dial your ex, increase the brightness of your display, do not disturb mode, raise to wake, that is lift your arm and the screen is going to come on. You also find the power saving mode, a silent tab, the volume tab and the settings tab. On the home screen, you can swipe to the left for your widgets, which is customizable too in the settings, or swipe to the right for your activity tracking rings, heart and sleep rate monitor too. Also on the home screen, you can swipe up to display your messages available. From here you can reply your messages with quick reply messages that you have set, which is also done in the settings. What this means is that you get to set some templates to reply messages that you have received. So for instance, if somebody texts you, "How are you doing?" you can't just reply by saying "I'm okay," but if "I'm okay" is part of your templates that you have set, then you can use that to reply. So make sure you go into the settings and customize your own set of templates. Also from swiping up, you get to see all the notifications from all the applications that you have given access to from the device, which is one of the reasons why most people decide to get a smartwatch, so you can get all your notifications on your watch without having to pick up your phone every time, and this does exactly that. To access the menu though, you press the button on the side, and from here you can see all that this device is capable of. Making calls, heart rate and blood oxygen monitor, pressure management, sleep monitor and over 120 sports mode for tracking your fitness activities. I was excited about the call feature, so I called a couple of friends to test this out, and this is what happened.
Hello.
Hi Esther.
Hi, Mike.
Good evening, how are you doing?
Good evening. I'm fine. How are you? What's up?
I'm okay. How's the laptop so far?
I think I like it so far. I'm here to install all the things that I need to install on it. Once it's done, I should be good, and I am depending on you to do that.
Okay, so that means I'll see you tomorrow, right?
Hopefully, why not?
Okay, then when I see you in the office tomorrow, I'll install everything for you. Question:
Okay.
how do I sound? How's the mic quality like?
Mic quality?
Yeah, like the sound. Can you tell I'm talking from an earpiece or a phone or a watch or anything like that? Does it sound good?
I think you sound fine. Yeah, I can hear you crystal clear. So I think it sounds fine. Unless there's something I should know.
Yeah, actually, I'm talking from a watch right now, not my phone. It's a watch.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see. Very interesting.
Cool. I'll show it to you tomorrow at work.
You're gonna give me one?
Yeah. Why not? I'll show it to you tomorrow at work.
Okay. I look forward to that.
All right. Thanks again. You're going to be in the video, by the way. I hope you don't mind.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Look, I don't know what to say.
Alright. You'll be fine. This is to say the microphones found on this device is really good. All of my friends didn't have any issues with hearing me at all, and they couldn't even tell I was talking from a watch. This was really cool. Hey there. Thank you for sticking around to this part of the video. If you enjoyed the video so far, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It goes a really long way to support the channel. Let's continue with the video. The activity tracker is great too. I found myself wanting to close my rings every day. I went on walks and it basically motivated me to keep fit every day. The heart rate monitor is very accurate too. I get almost the same reading from using my Apple Watch. And the sleep monitor, one of the reasons why I like this watch. The fact that the batteries are so good and I can go to bed with it without having to worry about charging my watch is really cool. Because of this, I get detailed sleep breakdown, so I get to see how deep I sleep or how light I sleep. So that is really cool. I really like this. And for connectivity, this comes with Bluetooth 5.1, so I didn't have any connectivity issues at all. And that brings me to the batteries. This time around we get a 300 mAh battery, which is another upgrade from the 200 mAh that we had on the earlier version from this year. But ORAIMO claims from their lab test this time around we are only going to get 7 days of standby time, which is lower compared to the previous version that was 15 days. But thinking about it, it kind of makes sense. A bigger screen, higher resolution display will definitely lead to more battery drainage. But from my experience, I've been going days on a single charge and I haven't been worrying about low battery at all. Now to my favorite part of my review videos, my likes and my dislikes. Definitely going to start with my likes. One, I like the phone call features. I made a lot of calls from my phone. Also, the sleep monitoring and the batteries were so good. I didn't have to worry about charging my watch for days. And also the price. Just look at all what this is capable of. It even supports iOS and Android devices too. And for the first week, this is going to be selling for 320 Ghana cedis. Guys, this is just a steal. And if you use my code RICKAQUA at checkout, you can even get this at a discounted rate. Make sure you purchase now because after a week or two, the price is going to go back to the original of 350 Ghana cedi. So this is the time to pick one of these up. Now to the things I didn't like so much. This is just me being nitpicky and it's definitely not a deal breaker. I would have wished that the bezels were uniform too on the screen. That is not the case. The chain below is kind of thick compared to the upper part of the display. I wish they were uniform. And also I couldn't double tap on the screen to wake this up. That was really a bummer. So this brings me to the end of my review of the ORAIMO Watch 2 Pro. If you're new to this channel, if you have any questions, hit the subscribe button, leave in the comment sections your questions, comments, or anything you want to know about this watch, as I'm always hanging out with you. Thank you for spending time with me and I'll see you in another video. Peace. I'm out.